Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see WhatsApp are introducing biggest update forever. WhatsApp now also introducing ChatGPT related features on itself, chatting features in WhatsApp, and that one is a Meta AI. You can ask any question of Meta AI and Meta AI providing you the answer. Even if you asking the Meta AI how to write a Python code in Mac operating system, so the Meta AI providing you same answer like a ChatGPT. So how to use, what is the new, we will see detailed demonstration on mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply first of all, I open here my WhatsApp application. So this is my WhatsApp application, and here you can very easily find out the Meta AI. So look at this here, top of the screen, this features just introducing couple of days ago. If you click here and look at this here, ask Meta AI anything, class related information, cool free online classes, courses related information now here is available. Look at this, the online classes. If you ask here, you go back here and again ask something in the Meta. If you click delete this one, again ask something like this, can you make Python code for me, CODE, so they can understand code CODE, and then how to make a Python code related information they are providing here. It's very easily. Denmark, look at this here, Denmark is a beautiful country but is working on it. It send it to you message when you talk a toggle. So that one is really interesting. You can ask here anything related information, iPhone 15 Pro Max, enter. So look at this, various related informations is coming here. You can consider this is a ChatGPT in WhatsApp. So couple of days ago, WhatsApp everyone are asking the question how to configure ChatGPT in WhatsApp, how to configure ChatGPT in WhatsApp. Now ChatGPT automatically configure in WhatsApp, but name is a change, Meta AI. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.